Today I got invited out to drift this construction site by the supervisor. Let's get right into it.
Dude, feels kind of weird back there.
Dude, me too. Holy shit, that's fucking awesome.
He'll be like, let me switch out my diffs real quick, and he'll do it in like 30 minutes. Yeah! I wish I would have fixed my front alignment before this. Too much toe out and caster is making it crazy to drive, but I couldn't turn down the opportunity to drift here. Quick little build breakdown. This is a 325. As far as angle, it's got 3-inch extended E36 control arms and modded E46 knuckles. Front wheels are 17x9 grenades. Rear is 17x9 Volk Challenge. Thanks for watching, gang. If you've made it this far and enjoyed, maybe leave a like, comment, or subscribe. It helps the algorithm. I appreciate you even just for watching. See y'all next time.